Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing a little, not necessarily a challenge, but we're just going to go out here on the pond, and under the dock, been seeing this monster bass along with a bunch of monster bluegills. So today we've got a cup full of hot dogs with a little hook and a little weight on it, and we're gonna go down to the dock, hopefully catch a giant bluegill, and yeah. The highlight of today's video, if it happens, is if we hook into one of the 6-foot grass carps, and I'm gonna be pretty upset because it's gonna mess up my whole reel and probably come off. But even just getting a look at it, there's a little bluegill right there just chilling. I don't know if you guys can see that. You know, I'm gonna put a little treat right in front of his face. Feeling quite generous. He's a little small. We're gonna give a little small piece of hot dog. And Lord, I cannot put on a hot dog on my own dang hook. That's gonna have to do. We're not even really gonna cast it, we're just gonna kind of pitch it out there. And I could not find any bobbers. So I guess we're just gonna have to have it chill there. Oh, I spooked him. Alright, well, that's okay. I think what we're gonna do here first is head over to the dock. I do already see a somewhat tiny bass under there. Oh, I see that big bass. Oh, I see him. We're just gonna pitch this under there. May or may not have spooked him if I hit that barrel. Probably did end up spooking him. Gonna walk onto this dock real carefully. So if there is anything under here, we don't entirely spook it off. Alright, well, I think, it's gonna be kind of a boring video, but, oh, did you see that? That was a big bass. I could head over to there, but I highly doubt that bass is really gonna eat just a moving hot dog. Could. Doubt it. This would have been much better if we had a bobber. It was really warm yesterday, and it's still somewhat warm, but it's definitely cooled off a little bit. So the conditions are not going to be great. Surprised these bluegill are not all over this hot dog. Actually quite surprising to me. Normally in this pond, if you drop any sort of food into here, bluegill will be over in 5 seconds. If we just kind of like, I don't know, like almost jig it? I don't know. How am I gonna do this? Should have thought of this beforehand. What I should have done is I should have brought out another rod. Let's see if you guys can see some of the action. Okay, I think I might know what it is. This little weight on it is not helping in the slightest. I don't necessarily know why I put it on there. I'm not really going to be casting it. I'm just going to be bouncing it off the side of the dock. And I don't have any pliers. Yeah. How am I going to do this? I guess we're just going to have to keep it. There's a decent cast out there. No, I had one. There we go. Beautiful fish. This right here is just a normal bluegill. Okay, buddy, you gonna stop flopping? It's hard to see with my shadow. There he is. Absolutely beautiful fish. Buddy, no need to stop. We do have some hybrid bluegills. Dang, you... I didn't bring any pliers either. Okay, I guess we're just gonna... The thing with these bluegill is they have these real strong off their lips, and then, like, if you get right through their nose, they do not want to come out, even with these small mouths. There we go. He's got to maneuver it. Beautiful fish. All right. Thank you for biting, buddy. And there he goes. Give him a nice clean release. Let's get some more hot dogs on here. It's a little too big. Guess we gotta cut that in half. Tear a little piece off. That big. Here's how I like to put bait on a hook, right? So you take your hook, you get your bait of choice. Right, obviously I'm using hot dog. Say you're using hot dog, you take the skin, you poke it through, all the way through, you turn it around, and then like re-hook it kinda, and then you just bury that hook in there, so it's just like a big piece of hot dog on there, and then there you go. Got one already. Oh, hey. What I found to work is just setting this tip on the corner of this dock, I guess. There we go. You look like the exact same bluegill that I just caught. Oh, he spat out our hot dog. There he is. He's got a little deformed ear right there. I was going to give him a good release, but he flopped. We still have our hot dog, so just reuse it. Just don't really care. There are a bunch of bluegill here. They're just fighting over it. Dang! Oh, this is a pretty boy. These fish have so much energy. Buddy. Okay, are you guys seeing this? Watch this, right? Bro, you good? You good, man? I'm not trying to hurt you. It's hooked in that lower lip. There we go. Dang, this guy does not want to chill out. He's got some beautiful orange coloring on that body, or that belly. Beautiful bluegill. There he goes. Let's use this other piece of hot dog here. Where are all the hybrids at? We have some humongous hybrids in here. Here we go. There's a bunch of fish fighting over it. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're more interested in my weight. There we go. What is that, number 4? Buddy. Buddy. I'm telling you, these fish are so hyper. Okay. Oh, he's choked that hook. Buddy. Did I gut hook him? No. Okay, he's not good. Gut hooked. Phew. Another beautiful bluegill. And we still got our hot dog. We're gonna re-rig this just a tad bit. Not much. Hello? Bluegill? Where you at? Oh, I had one. Oh, he robbed me. It's all good though. I cut up this hot dog. I probably could have cut it just a tad bit smaller. Here we go, perfectly rigged. Oh. They're eyeing it. Oh, dang it. We still got some of our hot dog. I want that big bluegill right there. Yep, same one I wanted. Perfect. I'm telling you, these fish are so energetic. Smaller bluegill. All these bluegill that I've been catching have definitely been smaller. I want to get one of them big hybrids to show off to you guys. He's hooked in that top lip. Some beautiful coloring on that guy. There he goes. We do have a little bit more left on our hook. If we don't catch anything on this, we'll probably just add a tad bit more. But I'm sure we will catch something. Oh. That was a good fish right there. There are like 15 bluegills right here. Oh. Oh, he didn't take my hot dog though. There are like 100 bluegill. I have no clue if you guys can see this. I'm hoping that you do. Oh, he took my thing. But there are like 50 bluegill. What's that, a big piece? See if we can catch a monster. Isn't that sideways, kinda? It's probably gonna come off. I did not rig that very good, but it is what it is. We have some action. Most of the meat came off on our hot dog. Went for the hook set a little too soon. Yep, eat it. Here's a little better. This is actually quite a chubster. Alright, buddy. Ow. Okay, chill. I know it hurts. Let me get it out of you. You literally just got a little snack, and now you're betraying me just over a little hook? Toughen up. Do you want the shoe hold? Yeah, that'll stop. Because when they're flopping around like this, something that you can do is if you just kind of, you don't even step on them, you just kind of put your foot barely above them, and that will stop them. You don't put any pressure, just right above them. These spines on these bluegills are real sharp, so you gotta be careful. Look at that guy. Nice bluegill. I just smashed my camera right into my leg. Sorry about that. After you catch one bluegill, all the others kind of flock. Just from a random soft plastic. I'll make sure to pick that up. Could actually end up using that if I needed to. What are we on? Like 5, 6? I don't know. Lost count. We're just gonna be fishing here for a little bit. We don't even have to do anything. We just kind of drop it down, and there's like 100 bluegill that. Oh, I'm gonna snag one. There we go. It's a little smaller. If I had catfish in this pond. Oh, what? I'm so confused. That hook, like, is going through his mouth. What? What I was gonna say is if I had catfish in this pond, this could be some good catfish bait. Slime bait here. Smaller guy. Good colors on him. Beautiful fish. And their release. Only gotten robbed once. So I think I'm doing decent. Here we go. Got one eye in it. I want a lot of bluegill to come up here. Oh, there's a big bass. I don't want you. I want the big bass. Here, big bassy. Oh, he's interested. They're taking my weight. None of these fish want to commit. That's a pretty nice bluegill. That's actually a slab. It's a whole dinner plate right there. He's a normal. That ain't even a hybrid. It's a slab of a bluegill. That one big bass was over there. He seemed interested. Be quiet, boy. Buddy, I'm just trying to get my finger in your mouth. Actually, this is kind of looks like a long ear with that real long ear right there. Just a slab of bluegill. I'm gonna release him off to the side because I don't really want that big bass to get scared. I'm gonna use this little scrap that I have. Just a real tiny scrap. I'm sure we can catch something. I swear, these fish are more interested in my weight than the actual hot dog. Here we go. Oh, or not. Okay, they don't seem to be liking the tiny piece. Oh, I did not even feel you. You were just like dead weight. I see a ginormous bluegill out there. Having such a big fish crush such a little bait. Decent. Whoa, I just saw a fish going 100 miles an hour, probably running from that bass. That's a good sign. I'm gonna throw the end of the hot dog here to hopefully catch that big bass. How do I want to rig this? Start from the bottom, go up, rig that way, then slide it up, and then like that. Okay, we're just gonna get this really down there. Ah, he yoinked it. Okay, I guess they're liking these smaller pieces. There we go. I get robbed? No, I did not. Really? No one? Try to hooks at him. There we go. About time. I'm just gonna let him hang kinda for a sec. Let him get. Oh, what's up, kitty cats? We got the duo pulling up. What's good, G's? We got the twins coming over to check. Is this fish blind? Wait, what? Yeah, I think this fish is blind. Because, yeah, I think this fish is blind in one eye. Hold up. And in a second, I will show you guys this. Hold up. That is so strange. I've never seen anything like that. So, yeah, look at this, guys. Here's just the normal, this is a normal bluegill on this side, right? But if you look on this side, yeah, he won't even open up. Buddy. Okay, you're gonna hurt your other eye. You're gonna go blind in your other eye, too. If you wanna open up, or I'll just keep you upside down. Bro's just keeping himself upside down. Open up your freaking mouth. There we go. Open up. Open up your mouth. Okay, guys, I gotta show you off like this. Let's get out of the sun for a sec. So yeah, if you can see on his pupil right there, it's kind of white and it's cloudy, which makes me believe that he actually is blind in that eye. That is definitely strange. I've never seen anything like that on a bluegill. Since he is blind, we are going to release him on the other side, give him some special treatment. I mean, yeah, he probably got attacked when he was way smaller and is now blind in that eye. Or when we stocked the pond, he probably had some complications of some sort. Oh, there's a real tiny bluegill. Then we got a big one pulling in. Definitely a tiny bluegill. What I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to catch a super duper small bluegill, smaller than this one, and put it on this hook and use some live bait. For that bass. And we're gonna see if we can't catch ourselves that big old bass. Alright, let's see. Not the smallest bluegill, I'll tell you that. no hybrids, which is actually wild because whenever I try to catch normal bluegill, I only catch hybrids. Well, here's the thing. All the normal bluegill, I feel like, kind of hang out over here. And all the hybrids hang down there, over there. So, yeah. We're going to catch one more fish, then wrap it up because this video is getting a little lengthy. Gonna cut this one up. I did see it. I've been seeing this bluegill like all the time over here, and it has like a stripe pattern, almost looks like a zebra. Haven't pulled him out of the water yet, but I would love to see him because he looks very pretty when I see him in the water. Hold up. Oh, that was a giant too. There's that zebra one. He's been interested in it for a little while, but has never fully committed. That was a tiny bluegill. No! That's the striped one. Come on. I'm literally putting it right in front of his face. Well, I just got robbed. Can I catch one on bare hook? Yeah, nah. Okay. Oh, that's alright. I hear an eagle. Somewhere way in the distance. Because I can hear that true American scream. Why did I say it like that? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. Put the biggest piece I have on there. Perfectly rigged. To where it's literally just hot dog. You can't even see the hook. Then drop it down over where this bass normally chills. Actually, no, we're gonna cast this. That was not the best cast I've ever had. In any way, shape, or form. Had one. We're just gonna kind of slowly let it come in towards us. Yo. No. I got swapped out and followed. I just got bait and switch with a leaf after that big bass was following us. Because that's my life. Some fish just like annihilated that. Last fish. She's gonna be the last fish of our video. Come on, guys. It's not that hard just to eat a hot dog. It's not rocket science. That was a big bluegill. I've been mad catching that. Oh, dude, it's that big bass. Finally. He's fighting. We boat flipping. Boat flip. Let's go, guys. The bass that we've been trying to catch all day long. We finally got it. That's a good way to end the video. That's a great way to end the video. Ow. When I first felt him, I thought I was hung up because he wasn't like fighting or anything. He was just kind of there. I'm gonna bend my hook, aren't I? Okay, buddy. Where even are you hooked? I am so confused. Which way are you hooked? There we go. Wait. Not yet. Oh, yeah. Whew. There we go. Looks like he has been caught before, as you can see by that tongue. He does kind of have a little deformed nose. He has probably been caught multiple times. Beautiful bass. Whew, that's a good way to end off the video. Thank you for biting, buddy. Well, yeah, there's 1, 2, maybe 4 times. Probably 3 times at least, because there's this hole right there that you can kind of see. If I angle my camera, there's that hole. And I caught it in the mid, like there. Not in that hole at all. Then he has a deformed nose, which probably means he's been caught. His tongue does have a little bruise on it. So yeah. I want you guys to watch this baby swim off. There he goes. That's a good way to end it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.